Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact files and dimensions so upload issues never happen. Open your 2560 x 1440 master, place critical text and logo inside the 1546 x 423 safe area, and export a PNG or high-quality JPG under 6 MB. Once done, sign into YouTube Studio, go to Customization Branding, and select Banner Image. You'll see an immediate preview. Make sure alignment and cropping look correct before saving to avoid repeated re-uploads. After you upload, YouTube shows device previews. Use them. You drag and reposition the crop so the safe area remains centered across desktop, mobile, and TV. If text looks tight on phone, scale, or re-export at slightly larger safe area margins and re-upload. Make sure background fills edges to avoid black bars on wide screens, and double-check that your logo isn't cut off on mobile. If color or contrast feels off, tweak in your editor and export a new file. Save your changes, then confirm by viewing your channel in a fresh browser or incognito window. Cached images can hide updates. If the banner still looks wrong, re-export the master at 2560 x 1440 with extra padding around the safe area and upload again. Also clear cache on devices or use a different account to verify. One key troubleshooting tip: if YouTube keeps auto-cropping, slightly reduce file complexity and size under 6 MB and re-upload. That usually forces the platform to accept your exact framing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.